How to fix Find My iPhone Grey Out. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix Find My iPhone Grey Out problem on iPhone. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap Face ID and passcode. Enter your phone passcode. On the Face ID page, scroll down, tap on Stolen Device Protection. Turn off Stolen Device Protection. The security delay will last for 1 hour. Tap Start Security Delay. Check for time remaining, tap on Done. You have to wait for 1 hour for it. Turn off Stolen Device Protection. Go back setting page, tap on Apple ID. On the Apple ID page, tap on Find My iPhone. Check your Find My iPhone working or not. Thanks for watching this video.